Automatically send invoices and purchase signals from Page365 to Meta's Ads Manager to analyze the effectiveness of ads and retarget audiences to similar recent customers to make your ads that click to message optimized for conversions. In this tutorial, we'll cover how to optimize ads that click to message for conversions using Page365's conversion tracking feature with Meta Ads Manager. To get started, you must have the Meta Pixel enabled. Then log into your Page365 and Meta Ads Manager accounts. Both of these accounts must have admin access. To enable conversion tracking, select Settings from the drop-down menu on Page365 and select Connect to Other Apps from the left side column. Scroll to find Meta Ads Conversion Tracking and click Connect via API. Once the connection is enabled and a customer makes a purchase through an ad that clicks to message, the purchase information will automatically be sent to Ads Manager. There, you can analyze the data to discover the effectiveness of ad campaigns and retarget more receptive audiences to help drive more conversions through conversations. Please note, your ads that click to message marketing objective must be set to sales for purchase information to be sent from Page365 to Meta's Ads Manager. Let's take a look at how all of this plays out. First, create an ad that clicks to message in Ads Manager and set its marketing objective to sales. Next, your customer is served this ad on Facebook. They click and send a message via Messenger, asking to learn more. Their message is consolidated into your Page365 inbox. After a couple of messages back and forth, they decide to make a purchase. You can create and send them a bill without leaving the Page365 platform. Once payment is received, simply click Notify Transfer. This will send the purchase details of this order along with the data about your customer's unique consumer behaviors and attributes directly to Meta's Ads Manager. From there, you can use the information sent to Ads Manager to calculate the cost of the ads you're running against conversions by setting up an ads report. Just go to Ads Manager and select Campaign or Preferred Ad Set. Next, click Columns and then Customize Columns. Search for purchases. Then check the boxes Total, Value, and Cost as metrics to include. Lastly, click Apply. The generated ads report will give you key insights like your purchase conversion value, cost per purchase, and total number of purchases. Measuring your advertising results can bring a better understanding of ad spend and increase the efficiency and effectiveness of ad campaigns to increase the return on investment. Meanwhile, event data the Meta Pixel tracks from your online store and the purchase signals data sent from Page365 will appear in Ads Manager in the Analytics dashboard. This tracked conversion data is all about your customers who have engaged with your ads and made purchases. It can be used to define custom audiences and create lookalike audiences, allowing you to retarget your ads to audiences that are more likely to buy in Messenger, resulting in higher conversion rates. The more the system learns repetitive and large-scale customer behaviors, the more accurate the process becomes to find the right target audience that is closest to the existing data. That's all for this tutorial. Now you're ready to put Page365's platform together with Meta's Ads Manager and conversion optimization to work. Implementing these helpful tips along with the powerful ad management tools available in Meta's Ads Manager will help you create a conversion-focused strategy, boost conversion rates, and become more effective at turning interested audiences into valuable customers. Best of luck maximizing your ad conversions and achieving your business goals. Thanks for watching.